Good day, and welcome to Africa Teen Geeks. This is the STEM Digital School, and oh, guys, I'm so glad to see that everybody is here. If you have just joined in here, this is the Grade 10 Physical Sciences. This is the Grade 10 Physical Sciences. So that I hope that everybody is doing well and is ready for some assessment time. Okay, so the assessment has already started. It's about 40 minutes, and this is your rules for the assessment. So if you've got your books and papers, there's just a few things that I need to know. That the paper is out of 45. The questions will be divided as followed. We're going to have number question one, the multiple choice. Question two, physical and chemical changes and representing chemical changes. Question three is going to be quantitative aspects of chemical change, and question four will also be quantitative aspects of chemical changes. And all of this is going to constitute 45 marks. So, guys, please remember this is an assessment. You are testing yourself. Okay. So, if you cheat, you are cheating yourself. So, I need you guys to be in line and write your assessments correctly so that tomorrow when you do corrections, you know where you got wrong, where you got stuck, what you thought you understand but you didn't. That's the whole aim of this assessment. So you only have 45 minutes to complete the paper. Each Start each question on a new page and in the answer book. Answer the answers correctly according to the numberings used in the question paper. Leave one line between sub questions. For example, question one and question two. You may use a non programmable calculator. You may use appropriate mathematical instruments if needed. Show all your formula and substitutions and round off your final numerical answers to a minimum of two decimal places. Okay, so let's get started. So, this is our first question, which is the multiple choice. So you guys can start writing. The first question says, when a physical changes occur on a compound, may rearrange themselves, but the bonds in between the atoms will not break. Okay? Oh no, sorry. Which one of the following statement is incorrect about properties of physical change? Is it A? When a physical changes occur, the compound may rearrange themselves, but the bonds between them will not break. B. Physical changes in matter is reversible. C. Energy is absorbed when matter changes from solid to liquid. And D. Molecules are not conserved during physical change. Okay, so which one of these is not true? And then we move to number two. Sorry, I numbered them incorrectly here. I forgot to fix them. Number two, this is number two. Says in the compound H2O, the ratio of mass of hydrogen to oxygen is 1 to 2, 2 to 1, 1 to 8, or 1 to 16. Okay, so can you please just write it down in your paper? You're gonna do the corrections tomorrow, guys. And then the number three, this is number three, né? It's 1.3. So this would be 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3. So it says here one molecule of H2SO4 contains A, 7 atoms, B, 1 molecule, C, 1 times 10 to the power of 23 molecules, or D, 42.14 times. So you just have to choose one. So this is your first question. Okay. Are we good? Can we move on to number two? Okay, I'll give you guys a bit of time, like 5 minutes to complete this question. Oh, and guys, another thing, you guys can screen grab the questions to make sure that you guys don't get left behind. Okay, you can screen grab them. Okay, moving on to number two. Okay, my mouse seems to be lost. Can't find my mouse. Okay, something seems to be slowing down my PC. My apologies for that. Mm, so, guys, all I want to tell you guys that please make sure you write your questions and you time yourself correctly for exactly 45 minutes and make sure that you write these tests, okay? So that you can see how much you understand out of term three work, okay? And tomorrow we're going to come back to class and we're going to do corrections for term three work. So make sure you write your questions and you time yourself correctly for exactly 45 minutes, okay? And tomorrow we're going to come back to class and we're going to do corrections for term three work, okay? So Okay, I'll go to slide 4 quickly. I just have to remove myself from the slideshow because the slideshow is giving a lot of problems this morning. I do not know why. So that's why I'm now using the manual. Oh, oh, okay. Sorry about that. Okay, so this is number 2, right? Um, this is a continuation of number 2. And then this is number 3. So I'm not sure if the one that you're looking for is question 4, but this is our number 3. And okay, now we're moving to question 4. Yes, this is slide. I think that's what you meant when you said slide 4. This is our number 4. Okay. Hope that everybody has got their questions in line. I don't want to talk too much today. I don't want to disturb you guys from concentration. Okay. Okay, no problem. I'll go through all of them. So this is our number two, which is the physical and chemical changes, right? The first question was our multiple choice, and our number two is the physical and chemical changes. So this is from number 2 to 2.4, right? So the next one is I don't know, but the slides are just taking me to I want to do a proper slideshow. So I'm just trying to get out of this and change slides manually. Okay, and this is from 2.5 to 2.6.2, right? So we did question one, question two, the continuation of question two. As you can see, it starts from 2.5, process Z, write down the symbol, balance equation, and 2.6 is another problem, okay? And then this is our number three. The number three starts from 3.1 to 3.4. Okay. And then we go to number 4. And this is our number 4. So I hope you got all of the slides properly and you did not have a problem. Okay. But if you check the numbers, you'll be able to see it's 1, 2, from 2.5, 3, from 3, it's 4. Okay. If you're still battling with something, okay. Okay, let me go back to number 2. Number 2 starts here, right? It starts with a physical and chemical change. That's from 2.2, 2.1 to 2.4. But after that, it's continuing on the next slide, okay? So after this one, we have this part, which is from 2.5 to 2.6.2. Okay, I hope you all have your questions correctly sorted out now. Please, guys, take 45 minutes of your time and write this test and see how far we've come, with every day's class. Okay. Are we all good? Any more question? Anything you need to be clarified with this question? So it's almost time. Okay. Have you gotten your number 2 now? Just show me with a finger, or must I still go back to number 2? Okay, now that's great then. So thank you guys so much for being patient with the whole connectivity problem that I'm having. Thank you guys so much for being part of this assessment. So I hope that you guys will be good to go tomorrow, and we can do the corrections tomorrow. But please, guys, write this test, and I will be asking you guys some questions. So please make sure that you have done it. Okay. Thank you guys so much for a beautiful class. I am Nonkuleo Madondo. I am your physical sciences grade 11 teacher. And thank you and goodbye.